Hello everybody. For the last few weeks we've been looking at different types of animals. We've been looking at dogs and rabbits and ducks and tortoise. And all these animals are pets. They bring us joy by being in our homes and we look after them, and that's all very lovely. Well, for this last week of looking at animals, we're going to do a little mini series on animals that help us. Now, I don't have any of those sort of animals in my garden because of where I live, but I do have some friends who have animals that help them, and I've asked them to send me some pictures. So what do you think the first animal that we're going to look at might be? I've got a little clue in front of me. Can you see my hard-boiled egg and soldiers? Where do we get eggs from? I asked my friend Anita to go and look in her garden, and she sent me some videos of what she found out there. Let's go and have a look. To write our sentence, don't forget we're going to need something to write with, a pen or a pencil or a crayon, anything will do, something to write on, a piece of paper, and a nice flat surface to write on. So make sure you have those things and then we'll start our sentence for today. So, our sentence today is going to be, we get eggs from chickens. That's 5 words. And we know that we always start with a capital letter. So we should have our tricky words, capital wah, and it has an E next to it. We. Finger space, then we're going to write get, which we can sound out. G. E. T. We get, finger space for our next word, it's eggs. We get eggs. We know it's going to start with E. We can hear that E sound. Eggs. Can you hear the G, G, G? There's actually 2 Gs. There's one, there's another one, and here's a S on the end. We get eggs. Now we need from, which is another word we can easily sound out. Don't forget your finger space. Then we want fur, or, can you hear the or in there? Or, We get eggs from, and I'm looking at that space and I don't think there's going to be space to write chickens in there. So I'm going to go to the line underneath. I'm going to go to this end to start to write chickens. Now chickens is one of those longer words. So we're going to try and split it into sounds and do a sound at a time. So chickens, chickens, chick. We can sound out chick. We know it starts with a ch, which is a k and a h. It's a curly k and a h to make that ch sound. Ch. Now we need ick, ick. Here's the I. And to make that k sound, we need both k's. A curly k and a kicking k, a C and a K. That's the first part of the word, chick. Now we need ns. And it's actually an e and a n to make that n ending. E, n. You can hear that n there. We get eggs from chickens. It does need a s on the end. And then, of course, it's going to need a full stop. We get eggs from chickens. Well done, everybody.